and it's gradually digging into the pipe. Now it should be pretty much through, and we just snap it off. Just keep turning, and see, just snap right off of there. Now we're going to take our 17-inch pipe and clean both ends. And we will be repeating this throughout the video, every step that we go. Now we're going to take our 3/4 inch union and our 3/4 inch wire brush, clean the inside of the fitting. And what I like to do is I like to kind of clean the edge of it off. Okay. Now we're going to take our flux the inside of the 3/4 inch fitting. Flux the end of the pipe. Don't be scared to use this flux. Yeah, we're just gonna slip it right in there. And another thing I like to do after I've done that is to take my gloves or a rag and just wipe the excess flux that's around the bottom. That allows for a neat sweat job. Now what we're going to do is take the dielectric union part up here, take it all apart. Then we're going to clean the dielectric fitting with the wire brush, 3/4 inch. When you run copper pipe in your basement, you're going to run mostly 3/4 inch pipe throughout the house until you get down to the plumbing fixtures, to where you're going to decrease it to 1/2 inch on each fixture. But until then, you want to keep it all 3/4. Now we'll clean that end, and we're going to clean this end of the